In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have the two tools talking to each other so your teams can manage projects directly from CRM without jumping between apps. Start by signing in to Zoho CRM and going to the homepage. From there, open the Setup area by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. This takes you to Settings, where you can manage integrations. In Settings, look for the Marketplace and open the Zoho category. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it quickly. Within the Zoho category, locate Zoho Projects and choose Setup Now. You'll see an overview of what the integration enables. Things like creating projects from CRM records and keeping related data in sync. Click Get Started to begin the setup. Next, choose your Zoho Projects portal. If you have more than one, pick the one your team uses. If you're prompted to name a portal, enter a clear, organization-friendly name your team will recognize. Make sure you have the right permissions to connect CRM with that portal. Being an admin in both apps helps avoid access issues. After selecting the portal, proceed to Add Modules. This is where you decide which CRM modules you want to connect with Zoho Projects. Common choices include accounts, contacts, deals, and products, but only select what your workflow actually needs to keep things clean and easier to maintain. You'll then move into field mapping, starting with accounts. Map key CRM fields to their counterparts in Zoho Projects. For example, align account names and other essential identifiers so data stays consistent across both systems. Pay attention to any required fields and choose the most reliable unique identifiers to prevent duplicates. If you aren't sure about a field, hover over the labels or review your team's data standards before finalizing. You'll be prompted again to add modules. Include products if it's part of your process, or skip it if not needed. When you're satisfied with the selections, click Save to apply your module choices. Click Done to confirm your mappings, and then click Save again to finalize the integration settings. You should now see a confirmation that the integration is successful. From here, you can jump straight into the Projects module inside CRM to explore the new options, or close the message and access it later from Settings. Quick tips before you go. Test the setup with a sample record, review user permissions so the right people can see and create projects, and document your field mappings for future updates. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.